Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. I'm going to show you how to make a really cute gift for under $6 in under 6 minutes. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my scarf, which is a number 2 gift, because the number 1 gift is the vase. I'm just going to lay this down in here, and I'm going to stick some candies in here. And I bought all of this at the dollar store, which is now the $1.25 store. And we're gonna just kind of push everything down in here. Then I'm gonna take my mittens that I got that fit my hands, because these actually do expand. So they're really nice gloves. And we're gonna just put one of them inside here and the other one here. Then we got our cute little snuggly socks, and we're gonna do the same thing. We'll put one inside. And then I'm going to take my little flower pick that I got or had sitting around. I'm just going to lay this down in here. And now we'll just take our stuff here and kind of bring that back over to cover the tag. And bring this back over here, which I'm going to leave that the way it is. And you have this adorable little holiday gift. Wouldn't Mom just love to receive this? Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.